Hi, I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf. Welcome to What's in My Toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. In this installment we have the Spline Socket Bit Set. In this set we have a variety of different sizes, ranging from M4 all the way up to M18. I'll give you a closer look at these in just a moment. These are usually used on VWs or Volkswagens, Audis, Mercedes and a host of other European cars. They're made out of S2 alloy steel for the bits and chrome vanadium for the sockets. So there are 10 different sizes in this set. So we have, starting with the 1/4 inch sizes, because there are 3 different drive sizes. So the 1/4 inch ones are M4, M5, M6. Then in the 3/8 we have an M8, an M9, an M10, an M12 and an M14. And then finally in the 1/2 inch drives we have the M16, which is also a security bit. And then we also have the M18, which is a big boy of the set, also a security one. I also think, and I forgot to mention, that the M14 is also a security one. So here's just a quick close look at the socket. This is the M18, as you can see it's got nice knurling on it. Very well built, fairly sturdy, nice cut pathway for the socket drive. Overall, a really nice quality socket. The markings have been stamped, so you won't have to worry about rubbing them off. So my final thoughts on the spline sockets are they're quite useful. I've used them a few times. I don't do much work on Volkswagens and other cars like that, but I've had a chance to use them and they've held up really well. I managed to clean them up quite nicely as well, so that's good. The case is really handy, keeps them all nice and organised. Yeah, overall handy little set if you're going to start working on Volkswagens or other European cars. Pick one up. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback? Let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.